Join us visiting Ghent, the city where I learned to do philosophy. Since you already know how to use your imagination, you're well on your way to become a philosopher as well. The only thing you still need is the ability to use your imagination in the philosophical way by performing thought experiments. And that is exactly what you'll learn in this MOOC. We are grateful that in Film Plateau, Ghent University's own cinema, professors and researchers of CIMS, the Center for Cinema and Media Studies, kindly introduce us to some great philosophical films, because performing thought experiments is just like watching movies. Subsequently, I'll invite you to use your imagination to perform some great philosophical thought experiments as they define, address and solve the big problems in philosophy, like the mind-body problem, the problem of free will and the problem of personal identity.
All I have to do is open the door. Stefan, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be...
Join our MOOC. After following it, you will not merely be a philosopher, you'll be an excellent imaginative philosopher, because you'll be able to design and perform your own philosophical thought experiments.